I'm doing a spring table setting for two with some new Big Lots dishes. If you want to see how these Big Lots dishes fit in with my decor, stick around. Welcome back to the channel, everyone. And today I am doing a little something for spring. And it's a spring breakfast tablescape. Starting with some dishes that I picked up recently from Big Lots. If you haven't been over to Big Lots yet or in a while, you need to check it out. Their spring decor is really, really nice. The dishes I picked up from Big Lots, they're yellow and the prices are on the back. I'm going to pair these with my buffalo check placemats, which I've had for a while, and I want to say I got them from Target, but I don't remember, to tell the truth. So I'm going to use my yellow dishes from Big Lots and some of my buffalo check things that I already have to set this table. Initially, I'm going to try to set it up for 4 to see how this looks, but we'll see if that works. I love these plates, and the bowl, actually the colors go right along with my spring decor. You know, I'm doing yellow in my house for spring, and I have it in my kitchen and family room. So I think I may have to change this out. So what I'm doing is I'm going to change out the setting from 4 to 2. I think that fits so much better. So I changed the setting from 4 to 2, and this will be a setting for myself and hubby using my buffalo check placemat and buffalo check napkins. The napkins are Hearth and Hand, and I did get those from Target. My everyday glassware and silverware as well. So I like how this turned out. It's a very simple table setting, just to demonstrate how the yellow fits into my spring decor, what I already have. On the countertop, and you may see this in the background, is my DIY floral piece that I used with lemons. So that's sitting on my countertop, as well as on a cake stand and a cloche are these 2 ceramic egg figures. I got these a while ago. I got 4 of them from a thrift store a couple years ago, and I've used them from time to time in my decor. And I love how it fits in with the yellow dishes and my black and white buffalo checks. I'm really loving the buffalo check. As I said, I'm leaving this buffalo check out year round, and I'm just going to add to it different colors. So this is my Big Lots spring table setting for 2, and I like how it turned out. So don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for your support. I really, really appreciate it. Please take care of yourselves. Be well. And I'll see you in my next production. Bye now.